Hey there! Want to try something different with me? I'm making ranch chicken and bacon waffles. Start by frying the bacon up. Cook 2 slices of bacon over medium heat but not until crisp. Leave a little chew. Drain your cooked bacon and chop it into small pieces. Also shred 4 ounces of cooked chicken into small pieces. This is a great way to use leftover chicken. The batter is pretty simple. Mix 1 cup of your favorite pancake or waffle mix, 3/4 of a cup of water, 1 beaten egg, 1 tablespoon of powdered ranch dressing mix, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and preheat your waffle iron and we'll fold in the bacon and chicken. Follow the cooking instructions for your waffle iron. For mine, I spray the waffle iron with cooking spray and load it with 1 cup of batter at a time. Use a spoon to spread out in clumps of chicken or bacon. Work in batches, spraying your waffle iron with cooking spray between each batch. My waffle iron will make 2 7-inch waffles with this amount of batter. You can top these with butter and syrup if you want, but give them a try plain first. You may want to use ranch dressing, honey mustard, or hot sauce instead. I'm going to break all the rules of eating waffles and use both ranch dressing and buffalo sauce. All that's left is to make this a reality in your kitchen.